Hello everyone. Good morning students. How are you? This is Priyanka, your class teacher. I hope you all are good. Students, as you know, we are doing the topic parts of the plants. Look here, I have a plant and name of the parts of the plants labeled on it. Flowers, fruit, root, leaf, stem. We have already done this topic, but today we will revise the same topic, parts of the plants. Flowers, we get flowers from the plant, and flowers are a beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are of many colors and a lots of fragrances. Next part is fruits. Plants give us fruits also. Many type of fruits. Some fruits have big size, some have small size, some have juicy fruits, some have dry fruits. Next part is leaf. Sometimes some plants have dark green color leaves and some plants have light parrot green color leaves. Leaves are used to make the medicines like neem tree. Next, wood. The wood trees gives us, plants gives us wood also, and wood is used to make the furnitures. Furniture means your school's table, your school's chair, doors, bed, etc. Now students, plants give us vegetables also, and vegetables are very healthy for us. Try to eat green leafy vegetables always. Now students, let's recite a rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is The Little Plant. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, in the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, I said, the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, I said, the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, the little plant heard, and rose up to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Word might be. Now students, after reciting the rhyme, this is a time for an activity. Let's call out the numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Students, the activity is you have to call out the number. You have to jump. Yes, while jumping, call out the numbers 1 to 10 means you have to jump and call out 1. Then jump again and call out number 2. Then jump again and call out number 3. Then jump again and call out number 4, and so on till 10. Now students, open your book, Woodall's book number 1 at page number 57. Drawing fun. Draw a plant in this pot, then color it. Here is a pot and you have to draw a plant. The plant, you can draw any type of plant which you like to draw, and fill the color in the plants. Color means fill the green color in leaves, fill any color like orange, red, pink into the flowers, fill the brown color into the wood stem, and fill the green color into the leaf. Now after doing this page, students, let's do another activity, and for this activity pick up some spoons and glasses, steel glass. Students, let's make the pair. Make 2 sets. Now make the 2 sets by using glasses and by using spoons. In first set you have to keep the spoons, in the second set you have to keep the glasses. But remember, one set having less objects and the other set having more objects. After making 2 sets, now let's count the spoons and now count the glasses. How many spoons are there and how many glasses are there? Now check what is the difference, which has more objects and which has less objects. Count and tell the number of the glasses and spoons to your parents. Now students, after doing this activity, open your book at page number 58. More and less. In each pair, tick the plant which has less leaves. Look here, in the first set there are 2 plants. You have to tick the plant which has less leaves. You have to make a tick into the given square boxes. Into the second set there are also 2 pots. You have to count the leaves and make a tick into the square box which has less leaves. After doing this page, now students, try to identify the plant's name and try to tell to your parents about the more and less concepts. Now let's recite the rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is "That is way we plant the seed." That is way we plant the seeds, plant the seeds, plant the seeds. That is way we plant the seeds early in the springtime. That is way we dig the hole, dig the hole, dig the hole. That is way we dig the hole early in the springtime. That is way we put in seeds, put in seeds, put in seeds. That is way we put in seeds early in the springtime. This is the way we cover the seeds, cover the seeds, cover the seeds. This is way we cover the seeds early in the springtime. After reciting the rhyme, students, you have to recite these 2 rhymes. This is the way we plant the seeds, and the other rhyme, the little plant. At least recite these 2 rhymes at least 2 or 3 times in a day and make a video clip and send it on my WhatsApp number. Now students, please give me the feedback. Have you enjoyed the session of today? Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone.